Oh my god, e-waste is the biggest type of waste in the world? It is the fastest solid waste stream, going 3 times faster than the world population. And apparently only 22.3% gets recycled every single year. Unbelievable! Hi there, my name is Anindita Daruhito, but you can just call me Naila from SMP Tumbuh. Back at home, I have 6 computer cases, but they're totally broken. So I decided to make something from it. I'll be making some accessories since fast fashion is also a big problem. And I thought that recyclable items should and always be trending. So I will be making some bracelets, a hat, a headband, and a belt. Let's get right into it. Hi guys, now I'm ready to start creating and hoping to inspire you guys to make some accessories out of e-waste. So now the things you need are, first, some old cables or wires. You can use it from your old chargers or USB cables or from an old computer, which is what this is from. Next, you will need a hat that we will be decorating. We will be decorating it with these. These are parts from a motherboard of the computer that you just need to take out. Next, you need a keyboard, as we will be using the inside of the keyboard as well as the keyboard keys. And you also need some elastic for your headband, some scissors or pliers to cut your wire, and also a hot glue gun and the filling. First, let's decorate this hat. To decorate it, you just need to get these parts from a motherboard. It's really easy. All you need is to take some scissors or pliers and you can easily just pull it out. And then you just need to make a design. As here, I made a cat. And then all you need to do is just hot glue gun it onto here. The second thing we will be making is the headband. We will be making the headband using this keyboard. So, how will we use this keyboard? We will first start by unscrewing all the screws from the back and then opening this up. Once you open it, there will be a rubbery layer on top and you just need to take that off and then you will see this. This is what we will be using for our headband. So first of all, you need to cut it to the preference of your liking. I personally like to cut it about 1/3 of this whole thing because that's just the size that I like. And then you just need to put on some elastic onto the sides to connect it and then you're ready to wear it. Okay, the next thing we'll be making is some bracelets. So there are multiple ways to make bracelets and I'll show you. The first way is to use this cable that came from the computer. I think it's really pretty because it's already stuck together and it's really colorful. The way to make the bracelet with this type is to just cut it to your preference and size and then you can glue it together either like this or like this according to your style. The next way is to take the thin kind of wire cables and then you just need to tie the ends like this and then braid it and then you just need to connect the end and it's done. It's really pretty. And now the last thing we'll be making is a belt. We will be making this belt out of this, which is old wires and cables or USB chargers. We will be making it by first off gluing the wires together into a straight line, making sure that it is long enough to wrap around our waist. Once you've glued it together, you can decorate it. For example, I will be using keycaps and then hot glue gunning them on top like this. After that, you take this thin kind of wire material and then you loop it in between the keycaps and then tie it in the back. This is for looping it and then you can adjust your belt however tight or loose that you need. And voila! Look, I'm already wearing all the things that I made. I hope that I inspired all of you to start recycling your e-waste and have a nice day.